Hello student, good morning to you all. Today we are going to read a very interesting story. So before we are going to read or learn, I have a question. For example, अगर हमने एक आम का पेड़ लगाए हैं तो इसमें क्या निकलेगा, करेला या जामुन? Of course, in mango tree we got mango. ठीक वैसे ये स्टोरी भी है, मतलब हम जैसे करते हैं वैसे भरते हैं, मतलब हम जो बोते हैं वही काटते हैं. एंड द स्टोरी इज टीट फॉर टैट, जैसे को तैसे. सो लेट्स लर्न अबाउट द स्टोरी. So once upon a time, a merchant named Naduka lived in a city, and he was once a rich man, but unfortunately due to his bad luck, he turned into a poor man. Who? The merchant, whose name was Naduka. He was once a rich man, but due to his bad luck, or unfortunately due to his bad luck, he turned into a poor man. And it was such an adverse time for him, so that he decided that instead of sitting lazily, or instead of sitting quietly or idly, he would go to a foreign country to earn some money. So he sold his all the things, whatever he had, whatever he possessed. He sold all the things and repaid his debts and started preparing to go to the abroad, to go to a foreign country to earn some money. So he sold all his thing, but one thing remained unsold with him, and it was a heavy iron beam, and it was weighing about 100 kilograms. Before leaving for Avard, Naduka went to meet his best friend Lakshmana. तो जैसे ही वो सोचे कि मुझे भाई फॉरेन कंट्री जाना है, और जाने से पहले बिफोर लिविंग फॉर एवर्ड वो चाहता था अपने जो बेस्ट फ्रेंड था लक्ष्मणा, उनको मिलते हुए जाए. एंड ही वेंट टू हिज बेस्ट फ्रेंड लक्ष्मणा, एंड आफ्टर दैट लक्ष्मणा वाज वेरी सैड to know that his best friend Naduka is going abroad, because he is in a great problem and he wants to earn money, so that he was living forever. So Lakshmana was very sad. When he heard that Naduka was going abroad, he said, "Dear friend Naduka, please tell me if you have any problem, and can I help you? If I can help you, please tell me." To this, Naduka replied, "Only I have a problem. I have a very heavy iron beam which weight about 100 kilograms, so that I cannot take it with me. And I want you to keep it with you. Please, आप इसको रखे रहो. Please, you keep it safe until I will come back." Then Lakshmana said, "No, it's not a problem. Okay, it will remain safe here. Don't worry, my friend. You be worryless and live forever. You can take it back whenever you return." आप कभी भी आप ले सकते हो, आप जब भी आना ये इसको आप आराम से ले सकते हो. Replied Lakshmana. Naduka thanked him and left forever. After that, Naduka went from one country to another country, one country to another country, doing his business, and in a very short span of time his business grew up. His business grew by leaps and bounds, and he was once a rich man who द मर्चेंट नादुका, वो अभी बहुत बड़ा बिजनेसमैन बन गया है और उसके पास बहुत सारा पैसा हो गया है। एंड ही वॉज वंस ए रिच मैन, धनवान बन गया है। आफ्टर हैविंग अर्न एनफ मनी ही रिटर्न टू हिज सिटी, और वहाँ पे वो अपना बिजनेस एस्टेब्लिश किए, अपना ही सिटी में, अपना ही शहर में आके अपना बिजनेस एस्टेब्लिश किए। एंड ही बिकेम अ वेल नोन मर्चेंट इन हिज सिटी अगेन। और एक दिन, और ऐसे ही एक दिन नादुका सोचा, he decided to go and meet his friend Lakshmana. Lakshmana was very happy to see him after a long period of time. After both of them had talked for a long time, long while, Naduka said, after a long time, Naduka said, dear friend, thanks a lot for taking care of my iron beam. I want to thank you for safekeeping my iron beam. Now I won't trouble you anymore. मैं आपको कुछ भी और परेशान करना नहीं चाहता हूँ. I won't trouble you anymore, and you just please give me back my iron beam. I want to take it back from you. Lakshmana got worried and said, dear friend, I am very sorry as I won't be able to return you that iron beam back to you. I had kept it safely in my house, but unfortunately, दुर्भाग्यवशत ये क्या हुआ है, the rats ate it. सब चूहा कुतर के खा गया ये आयरन बीम को. Now, since nothing of its left, I can't return it to you. जितना भी था सबको चूहा कुतर के खा गया है और मेरे पास अभी आयरन बीम का एक टुकड़ा भी नहीं बचा है. I don't have anything to give you to return it to you, and I don't have enough money to buy you another beam. और मेरे पास इतना पैसा भी कहाँ कि मैं आपको आयरन बीम एक खरीद के दे सकूं. Naduka said, it is impossible. How it is possible? How can rats eat a beam made up of iron? To this Lakshmana replied, are you accusing me of lying? तो क्या मैं झूठ बोल रहा हूँ? If you don't trust me, then you should not have given me the responsibility to take care of your beam. आप मुझे क्यों दे इतना? अगर आपके पास भरोसा नहीं था, मुझ पर भरोसा नहीं था, then why should you have given me the responsibility to take care of your iron beam? Now Naduka understood that Lakshmana was not willing to return the beam. He at once thought of a plan. Who? Naduka thought of a plan. Well, if the rats have eaten it, then it's not your fault. It is not your fault. You should not have done anything. Let it go. चलो छोड़ो, इस बात को छोड़ो, हम और आगे नहीं बढ़ाते हैं. However, I have bought a beautiful gift for you from Award. छोड़ो, जो भी हो जाए, मैं आपके लिए एक बहुत अच्छा चीज़ लाया हूँ. I have a gift for you from Award, but I have forgotten it at my home. मैं इसको मेरा घर में भूल के चला आया हूँ. Can you please send your son along with me so that I can give him the gift? Now Lakshmana was very happy to hear this, and he sent his son with Naduka. Ramu along the Naduka in his heart. Lakshmana thought, बेचारा सोच रहा है, wow, it was really easy to fool him. क्या मजा आ गया भाई इसको बुद्धू बनाने में. ये इतना बुद्धू है, इसका मैं आयरन बीम भी ले लिया और ऊपर से ये मुझे गिफ्ट भी दे रहा है. इससे बड़ा बुद्धू दुनिया में नहीं होगा. Then Naduka took Ramu along with him and gave him toys to play with. Soon Ramu got tired and he slept. Lakshmana got worried when Ramu did not return till evening, so he went to Naduka's home to look for Ramu. He called Naduka out and asked, "Where is my son?" मेरा बेटा कहाँ है? आपके साथ आया था. He was not returned home till yet. Naduka made a sad face and said, "My dear friend, when we are coming from your house, an eagle came down and caught Ramu and flew away with him before I could do anything." तो लक्ष्मणा कहा, ये कैसा पॉसिबल है? हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल? इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. You are fooling me. How can an eagle fly with a 15-year-old boy? Then Lakshmana grew angry and said, Naduka, you have to come along with me to the court. Naduka agreed to go to the court and they both went to the judge. In front of the judge, Lakshmana said, "My lord, this man has kidnapped my son. ये जो है मेरा बच्चा को किडनैप कर लिया है. प्लीज टेल हिम टू गिव मी बैक माई सन." द जज आस्क्ड नादुका, "व्हाट इज द मैटर?" नादुका सेड, "माय लॉर्ड, ही इज माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड." और मैं कैसे मेरा सबसे प्यारा दोस्त का बच्चा को किडनैप कर सकता हूँ? When I was going to my home with his son, an eagle came and flew away with him before I could do anything. फिर जज ने कहा, द जज सेड, "What are you talking about?" क्या बोल रहे हो आप? This is the most stupid thing that I have ever heard. इससे घटिया बात मैं अपने जीवन में कभी नहीं सुना था. How can an eagle fly with a 15-year-old kid? The judge replied. Then Naduka said, "My lord, if rats can eat a 100-kilogram iron beam, then an eagle can also fly with a 15-year-old kid." The judge said, "What are you talking about? I don't understand anything." मुझे कुछ भी आपका बात समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. So that Naduka elaborated or narrated the whole story to the judge. After that, everyone in the court, they started laughing at Lakshmana. He was now ashamed of what he had done. The judge scolded Lakshmana also and told him to return Naduka's beam. आप उनका बीम आप उनको दे दो, लौटा दो बोल के उनको डांटा भी गया और बुला भी गया. The judge advised Lakshmana to return Naduka's beam. He also told Naduka to return Lakshmana's son. After that, Lakshmana had learnt his lesson. तो बच्चों, ये स्टोरी से हम क्या सीखे? टीट फॉर टैट, मतलब जैसे को तैसा. थैंक यू वेरी मच.